brother.
How you doing, Adam? I'm ready to training session. Yeah, we got it. Oh my God. Bumper cry. Puddle. Jesus.
You might be thinking, why the hell are we on the beach on this super rainy, windy day? We usually have our yearly training session on this day. However, the rain didn't die down, and these crazy people wanted to go into the water.
You're nuts for me.
I believe that Ryan's the best person in the world, and buddy blah blah blah.
Go, go, go,
These lot are crazy, but some of us are sensible and watch from the sidelines. However, it did look fun in the water.
Wow.